Okay.
So, this game is called Who Knows About Me the Most? It's a family edition.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, rule number 2.
Hello,
If mali
videographer
yung
ka.
answer mo, I will dunk you to the
Okay.
tubig.
Dahan naman ang dunk.
Okay, of course. Tapos rule number 3, rule number 3, you will have 10 seconds to answer every question. You have to, don't say your answer first. Lock in your answer. If the timer is done, you say your answer.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, the game starts in 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
What is my favorite game in Roblox? No, lock in your answer. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Garden.
Garden.
For second.
Run! Boom!
Hindi ako sure.
Hindi naman kasya ang kayo lagi. Hindi kasya. Ako naman ilong lang ang nagdano. Oh.
Oh my God.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay.
Next.
So, 0-0.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
How many question ba?
There's about
Kailangan may tapos niya kung ilang
there's 8 questions.
Okay, nakausa ka na.
Okay. So, question number 2. How many medals do I have?
Oh my God.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
15.
14.
Correct!
Ay, bakit
Okay, it's okay then.
Hindi naman dinulubog mo ang ganito. Oo, ganyan.
Tissue.
No! Okay.
Ay, tayo yung pala.
Okay.
Dapat harina.
Ang ganda nito
Oo nga, Harina. Eh, saan sa unan? Wala kasi.
Okay.
Oo.
Okay. Question number 3.
Oo nga, dapat sa Harina o dito.
Question number 3. Okay.
Ang tagal nito.
Bro, wait.
Sige.
Okay, what is my favorite food? 10, 9,
Simple.
8,
Oh my God.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Chicken pastel.
Ang pala yung
Time!
pastel.
So,
Wala yung sa lubog.
no ma'am, both kayong pong.
Okay,
So,
okay.
it's
Got 1 point.
So, you get 2
I get
because kanina,
Yeah.
and then you get 1.
Yes.
Mommy's in the lead.
Okay.
Okay, question number 4.
Huh.
Matapos na, 4 more question. Okay, titigak. Okay.
Manalo.
Okay, let me think. Okay, what is my favorite YouTuber that you know?
Ako patay.
What is my favorite YouTuber that you know?
Sino nga ba yun?
Hindi ko kilala yun.
Si Tony Fowler, joke.
Ano yun? Hindi ko alam yun.
Sino nga ba? Naku, hindi ko tanda ang pangalan.
Hindi ko
Tama
alam.
ako.
Okay, mag-count
Kilala ko
ka
na si Kulot.
Nine.
It's okay, describe na lang kasi I don't know the name.
It's like, no.
I describe.
So,
Then I describe the person.
no.
Okay.
It's the, it's like an interesting channel where me and Daddy watch. Okay,
Sino
10,
nga ba yan?
9, 8, 7,
Ano po si ano eh?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 1.5, 1.25.
Mr.
0.
Beast.
Mr. Beast?
Yeah.
Ikaw, Mr.
Nakulot.
Beast?
Nakulot.
No.
Bakit? Sino?
Wala na nasa
Yes.
isip ko.
So you have 3 points and you
Oh
have
my God.
Si Mr. Beast nga rin nasa isip ko.
dunk. Good job.
Ako dapat yun eh. Bibigyan ko lang si Mami.
Boom! So, ano na?
So, ilan ang points ko?
5 na.
5.
No, 4.
Question 5.
4 na ako. And 1.
3 lang siya. 3 ako.
No.
Ang baho mo ito?
Sorry, I'm sorry.
Dali.
So, question number 5. What is my favorite PS5 game in
Oh.
2024? In 2024?
2024?
Yes.
2024.
Yes, not 2025, not 2026.
Oh,
Okay.
go count.
Count.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Spider-Man!
Oh my God! Umiyak ako! Umiyak ako! Umiyak ako! Oh my God! GTA 5!
Ayaw nga pala.
2025! 25 ako nag-ano.
Spider-Man.
Nag-Spider-Man ako tapos nag-complete.
Oh.
Doctor
Okay.
head. Shower. Sarap.
Sarap? Malamig?
Okay.
Okay.
Question number 6.
Okay, question number
Question
6.
number 6.
Oh.
Okay.
8 last 2 question na, ha?
No, 8, di ba?
Oo nga, I mean, after nyan.
Okay.
Last 2.
Pagod na siya to say.
Pagod na.
No, it's okay. Nag-enjoy
Sino
ka.
ang mauda-uda sa family?
Ay! Of course.
10, 9,
Oo.
8,
Eh di pero kami nasagot niya. Tama na yon.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Liam! What? Oh! Ay, nabaw na rito ah.
Okay.
Why?
Hindi ka makakadak ng head, but no.
Okay.
Dahil
Alas.
bakit ako dapat?
Yes,
No. Good.
Question number 7.
Okay.
7 na. One more question.
Okay.
Daddy, manalo ka na. Okay.
Oh,
Ilang points na si Mami?
3.
3.
Si Daddy Paul.
Okay.
Wow!
Ha?
Mas madaas ako,
Huh?
ah. Okay na.
1 ka lang? Okay. Okay.
Okay.
What is my favorite soft drink? 10,
Pepsi Diet.
9,
0.
8, 7,
Favorite soft drinks eh.
5,
Di ba Pepsi 0?
3, 2, 1.
Mountain
Anta!
Dew.
Wrong. None.
Oo nga pala.
Don't
Wala
care.
nga pala siyang favorite.
Don't care.
Ay, oo
Oo,
nga
di siya
pala.
umiinom
Ay,
eh.
niinom niya lang pala yung Pepsi 0.
Ah, okay.
Yun lang
Hindi
yung
naman
Hindi niya favorite.
Oh, yun lang pala yung pwede niyang inumin.
Hindi mo, ano, bubig mo lang ang binabasa mo. Hindi mo binabasa yung ano mo.
Natatawa na ako, grabe.
Oh, game.
Okay, yeah.
Hirapan mo naman yung sa tanong mo, kuya.
Ha?
Hirapan mo yung tanong mo.
Okay. Hirapan ko.
Two questions ka pa.
How many money do I have in Team Tycoon 2 Roblox?
Kapatay tayo
Yan
dyan.
lang.
What?
How many money do I have in Team Tycoon 2 in Roblox?
Oh, good. Okay, bulong-bulungan. Ay, tanong ng bayad eh, no?
Walang binubulong.
Bakit ako?
8, 7,
Garden Team Park?
Millions?
8, 7,
Millions?
6, 5,
Specific ba?
3, 2, 1.
1
10
trillion.
10 million.
1 trillion. 1 trillion.
Both of you wrong. But mom is the closest but still lose. 4 million.
4 million.
Yes.
Kaya nga.
Impossible
kaya-
na maka 1 quadrillion ako.
O, di tama yung sinabi
Okay.
ko, kailangan
Okay,
specific.
yeah.
Okay, so basically, the winner is mommy!
Okay.
Yay!